Hello fellow locksmith friends. How to use the KD-X4 to read the encrypted key data of the BMW BDC3 to add the FGB key. We also have a dedicated wiring harness for reading and writing BMW data. We also use this wiring harness for Volkswagen and Audi 5C 5D4 reading and writing data. This is an encrypted key for BMW BDC3. After reading, use the FGB 582, write the data. Then it's ready to use. First, let's power on the device. Once powered on, tap the home button here, then connect to the device. Okay, it's connected automatically. Go back. First, please note the version needs version 1.52. Only version 1.52 supports programming encrypted BMW keys. If your device hasn't been upgraded, click Update. Click Upgrade KD device. You need to upgrade to version 1.52 to do this. Added the function of reading and writing in encrypted BMW keys. Now let's read and write data to this key. Now, this key has already been wired according to the wiring diagram. We will directly upload the wiring diagram to the corresponding menu later. Click Remote function. Click Smart Key Clone. Click BMW BDC3 BCP Smart Key Clone. You can see the wiring diagram here. Now, let's read it. To read the data, make sure the device is properly connected. OK. Data reading is complete. Click Save. Now, let's generate the key. Before generating the key, let's take this off first. Once you've taken it off, place the key inside the slot. Now start wireless generation. Click KD-FGB remote. Generation successful, then you can install this key into the original factory shell. And then you can use it in the car. One thing to note, once you get in the car, you need to use them separately. Otherwise, key to start won't work.